You'll want to make room at your table for this incredibly delicious mini corn casserole. It's made entirely from scratch, and this savory dish goes well with just about everything. We're going to start by lightly buttering a small baking dish. Now I'm using a 5 by 5 inch baking dish with a base area of 25 square inches. You can use a 4 by 6 inch baking dish with a base area of 24 square inches, or a 6 by 6 inch baking dish with a base area of 36 square inches. If you use a 6 by 6 inch dish, the corn casserole is going to bake a little bit faster, so you need to keep a closer eye on it. So next we're going to fry 2 slices of bacon. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of olive oil to the pan just to keep the bacon from sticking. Remove the bacon from the pan and place it on a paper towel lined plate. If the bacon doesn't produce enough drippings, add about 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil to the pan to prevent the onions from sticking to the pan. So we'll add in 1/2 cup of chopped onions. And we're going to cook the onions, stirring occasionally until the onions soften about 2 minutes. So we're going to add in 1 clove of minced garlic. And we're going to cook the garlic, stirring pretty frequently for about 30 seconds. Okay, so once your kitchen is smelling heavenly, we're going to take the skillet off the stove and we're going to set it aside for a minute. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to combine 1/4 cup of cornmeal. I like using a medium grind cornmeal, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. In a separate medium-sized bowl, whisk together 1 large egg yolk, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter that we've melted in the microwave. Stir this until it's smooth. Then we'll add in a cup of corn. Now you can use frozen and thawed corn or canned corn that's been rinsed and drained. And then we're going to add in almost all of the crumbled bacon. So we're going to take our bacon, just tear it apart and add it to the bowl. I'm going to save a little bit of it for the topping. Then we'll add in the onion and garlic mixture. Okay, next we'll add in the dry ingredients and we'll stir until combined. Pour the batter into the greased baking dish and place the baking dish on a rimmed baking sheet to catch any possible spills. Bake for 30 minutes in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, this looks so good already, but we're not finished yet. So you're going to sprinkle on 1/2 cup of shredded white cheddar cheese. And then we'll add the rest of the bacon. And then we'll place it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. So I like to top my casserole with a little bit of chopped green onions. It's for a little color and fresh flavor and some crunch. I am gonna dig in. This smells so good.
I love the freshness of the corn. That's really nice.
Really good.
And cheese, the bacon, just that cornbread from the cornmeal. It's really good.